Hey y'all, we are on day 3 of my brand new series, the ABCs of Becoming a Virtual Assistant, where I'm going to be sharing a tip for you every weekday in March. Super excited for this, and today we are talking about C is for consistency. Everybody's always asking me, what's your top tip for growing your virtual assistant business quickly? And I would say, without a doubt, my number one tip is consistency. You have to give this the air that it needs to breathe. You need to be setting aside specific hours each week to give to this. It's not going to grow on its own. There's no such thing, you guys, as overnight success. There's a quote, and I'll probably butcher it, but it's like, overnight success took me 20 years. And virtual assistance is not going to take you that long. Like you guys know, I replaced my teaching income in 6 months. But that's because I was consistent. It doesn't take a whole lot of time, but it does take a little bit of very intentional time. So you need to be consistent and try to give this at least 5 to 10 hours a week. This doesn't mean that you need to, sit at your computer for 5 hours in a row. It can be broken up into little chunks here and there, like maybe 1 hour, 5 days a week, or 1 hour this day, 2 hours this day, 1 hour this day. It could be 15 minutes in the morning, 15 in the afternoon, 30 at night. Whatever works for you, but just create a schedule for yourself so that you can be consistent and work in the pockets of time that you have. Don't slack on this and then say it's not working for me. It's not working for you because you're not being consistent and giving it the time it needs to become something that can really benefit you. So make sure you're giving it the time, be consistent, and I promise you will see that reward come to you. All right, y'all, make sure you check back in tomorrow for our next episode in the ABCs of Becoming a Virtual Assistant series. And I can't wait to see you back here.